Hey everyone, welcome to this GitHub Copilot Learning Series. In this first video, we're going to explore what GitHub Copilot is, how it works, and why it's becoming such an essential tool for developers. Whether you are just getting started with Copilot or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will set stage for deeper insight we'll be exploring in the rest of the series. GitHub Copilot is an AI pair programmer developed by GitHub, now powered by multiple advanced language models like O3 Mini, GPT, Gemini, Sonnet, and Sonnet Thinking, giving it broader capabilities and faster response times. It lives right inside your favorite editor like Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, GitHub Web Interface, and many more. Copilot is more than just code completion tool. It's powered by a range of advanced AI models trained on billions of lines of public code and technical documentation. What makes it unique is how it gathers input and context from your project to enhance its code suggestion and tailor them to your specific task. Let's say you are writing a function. Copilot looks at the file you are editing, your previous code, comment, and even function and variable names. It analyzes all of that to provide suggestions that are not just accurate but contextually relevant. So, it's not just predicting code, it's understanding what you are building. The more context you give Copilot, the better its suggestion will be. It works best when developers write clear function description, add meaningful comments, and use descriptive variable names. You can even paste example code or keep relevant files open. Copilot uses all of that to make smarter, more personalized suggestions. Over time, it starts adapting to your style, so it really feels like you are coding with teammate who understand how you think. Copilot supports multiple programming languages, and it's great for writing a new code, fixing bugs, refactoring, and even generating tests or documentation. And with the Copilot chat feature, you can ask it to explain complex code, generate inline documentation, or even make suggestions across multiple files. Even users on free plan benefit from this. It helps improve collaboration and efficiency when you are navigating a big code base or working across multiple files. A lot of people ask, is it safe to use? GitHub Copilot has built-in privacy measures, like filtering out sensitive data in suggestions and discarding your prompt after the code is generated. This helps protect your code and proprietary logic. If you are on Copilot free plan, you still get a solid experience. But keep in mind, Copilot chat is capped at 50 messages per month and some advanced collaboration tool may have limitation. For teams and organizations, Copilot Enterprise add extra power, like smarter search across internal documentation and tools that help streamline code review. If your company uses Copilot through GitHub or Microsoft, your contract and legal protection vary, something GitHub calls the contract stack. It ensures clarity around usage right and liability, especially for enterprise customers. Another big win, Copilot is great for modernizing old code bases. It suggests modern programming pattern, rewrite legacy syntax, and helps bring your project up to today's standard without doing it manually. So, to sum it up, GitHub Copilot is like AI developer that sits beside you, understands what you are building, and helps you to move faster with better code. In the next video, we'll explore how GitHub Copilot chat in Visual Studio goes far beyond just generating code, helping you understand, refactor, debug, and optimize like never before. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and dropping a comment with your thoughts or question. See you in the next one.